It is here.
The first Marina Bay bound train of the day.
Wherever they go, we split ourselves.
Oh yeah, this TRN203, which is the first Marina Bay, by the way. Which is funny.
Why they go to all the different spots? Like one goes to carriage 1, one goes to carriage 2.
It's train at first.
This is the first Marina Bay bound train of the day. The first Marina Bay bound train of the day. That's sneaky. This is TRN203, which was the first train to Marina Bay at the start of the day. Yes, Marina Bay, not Marina South Pier. Yeah. Actually, wait. Oh my god. Bro, get out. No, get out.
Next station, Braddell.
This is... Yeah, I reckon Oh god, okay. That's good for us. Yeah. I want to go... Wait, so we go all the way to Bukit Panjang? Huh? No, don't have.
Braddell. Please mind the platform gap.
You can escape it.